Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to fix 5G not working issue on this device. So in this video I will show you two different methods. The first method, simply go to settings, tap on general, scroll to bottom. Here you can see the option transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on this one. Now tap on the option reset. So here you can see some options, and from here you need to select the option reset network settings. Enter your screen passcode. Now confirm this with the reset network settings. Here you can see this will delete all network settings, returning them to factory default. Confirm this with the reset network settings. So now your device will turn off. So after the couple of seconds, you can easily restart your device. So this reset will not delete any of your personal information. This will only delete the network settings and it will reset to the factory default. So this is the method 1. If this will not work on your device, so let me show you the second method. Simply go to settings, tap on the option mobile service, enable mobile data, tap on the option mobile data options, tap on voice and data. So here you can see you can select either 5G auto or 5G on. So simply in this way in these two methods you can easily fix the 5G not working issue on your iPhone. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.